Real, quality family time is rare. But when you experience it together, you're that much closer for it.
Shape the rice.
It's where shared challenges build trust, where unexpected moments create a lasting memory, and where getting a little lost turns out to be exactly where you needed to be. Something happens when families step beyond the familiar. The people you meet become part of the memory. The memory becomes part of who you are. After all, the best adventures are the ones we take together. Intrepid family trips. Moments together that mean the world.